Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Prashant, and today we're gonna discuss about GDB only. But maybe I'll discuss uh, another very interesting topic in GDB, wherein we will install a software. The commands are given here. You can install sudo apt update and GDB if it is not installed. Git if it is you have to get it because I have to get some data from Git, and then Python 3 obviously for GDB enhanced feature. So this is something which is you can download this you know um, code like maybe Python file. You can write the command wget minus o and hyphen dot gdb init slash gaf dot py, and this is where it is located. Okay, and then you are configuring it. So you are updating your gdb init file, and once you do that, okay, this command, once you do that, I will pin this command also for you, so you can do debugging inside your code. So see, I will be teaching you that the command which you already run, gdb, and since you have updated your gdb information now, so you can see that you can debug the code which is already written. So now the command remain the same, gdb dot backslash remote underscore bug, which is nothing but a C code which I have written. So I just run it with let me show you the command also, right? So this is my command, and to convert into gdb I can just yeah, so this was my code, cdebug.c, and that is how I got debug, right? So I have compiled this code with obviously with flag gdb debug flags. So if I write file here, as I mentioned before in previous classes also, I will get the okay, so this was my, let me run the command first. Yeah, this was the command, and I'll do that file space link underscore bug. So you can see that it also comes with some dynamically linked, right? And it has debug info which is required to debug, right? So that is why we have this. Now if I go proceed with it, so what I'll do is like I'll write gdb dot backslash remote bug, which is my executable code. Now you see there are certain changes which you can observe, particularly in this case, that we are able to see GEF rather than GDB, which used to come previously, and the command remained the same. So I'll just write breakpoint at main, because that is where we put our first breakpoint. And if I say continue, right? So you can see that now visualization is quite impressive. If you remember from last, if I wish to do lay space next, lay space source, that is not needed here. You can see things upfront, right? Now it will be very easy to navigate. Like suppose I go to next, all those logic became like it is the same, and you can see this is where the location of your main. And if I'm doing next again, so I jump to this printf, and I can visualize this source code here, right? And the assembly code, right? Here is your C code, and all features at the same place, right? I can also if I want to go to next, for example, so I'm able to navigate. All these commands will remain the same. If I do list here, I can list out my code itself here. But right, as you can see, all the visualization in this case, it become more intuitive, more interactive than previously, which we used to do. So if I keep on doing next, right, I can debug the code as usual. Also, I have that option, if you remember, lay next, right? So if I keep on enter, right, keep on entering, I will still get that. Okay. So it is not like that feature is gone now, right? Feature is available, but if you don't want to do that, your like if I want to do backtrace, right, all that. Okay, if I say next, next is still happening, and if I want to see like BT, okay, so I can see backtrace if there is any backtrace. So, I mean, what I mean is like you can still see that, right, with GDB, but now your Jeff will take over and will create easier, debugging in comparison to what you used to do before. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others so who might be also benefited. For more such video, please stay tuned. Thank you.